Hey guys, Damo here. On this episode of the Shed Sesh, we build a racking system in the shed. So, long time coming. Got to try to clear up this shed to get some work done. There you go, guys. I have started. I've chopped up all the steel, all the posts anyway, and now they will go up against the already, the C-section shed posts. So I've run a string line across. Yeah, there'll be a check out this awesome bit of camera work. So what we'll have is a post from here down, and those ones over there, one over there. May not get to that side. I think might be stage 2, but we have one there, one there, one there. So the shelving will go right the way across there, and that'll get all that crap and all the car parts up, hopefully, off the out of the way. So yeah, happy days. We'll just keep on going. Okay, so we've got to the point. I've got the first plate there. It's got the holes. I wasn't this once. This is 6mm plate. I did want to go 8, but they didn't have any. So it looks pretty stiff. I'll be. It's actually 100 by 5mm. 100 by 100 by 5mm. Square tube. So yeah, so I've decided to put the recess that in where the square tube going around there. Only main reason is it just gives it, well, I just want to maximize the space in this place, so I'm just trying to push it all up and in as far as I can. Should work. So we'll weld it up. I'll chuck the bolts on. What I might do is bolt this down first, then tack it, or put a couple of bolts in, tack it, and then I'll weld that on, take it off, finish welding it, because I don't want to be fighting it just in case that's not 100% square when I get it in. So there we go. That's in. One more. Okay, so we're a little bit further on. I haven't filmed everything, but you would have seen. I've almost mounted that. I've run out of Dynabolts. Anyway, I've got a couple in there, but that's up. It's the main piece. That was the first one I did, second one I did, and now I'm just finishing this one off for there. So, oh, right. Chicken coop. So anyway, just cleaning it up, cleaning this one up, giving it a paint, and then I'll mount it on. But and that's all the steel I've got at the moment. So I'm really like eventually I'll finish off down there. Or is it down that corner, over there, and maybe come across here as well. But for now, as far as the posts go, this is all we've got. So I'll, after I've got these up, I'll have to get the got a laser level there. I've had for a few years, never used. So we'll laser level it up, and then we'll try and get some shelves up. So really coming together. Can't wait. As you can see, I'm tripping over everything. There's just crap everywhere. I've got to finish this off. It's a trailer to go with that tub over there. So I just need some shackles. I've got the wrong ones. Doesn't fit the springs. Yeah, it's just I'm tripping over myself. I'm really looking forward to getting stuck in to that for starters, but just projects in general. It's absolutely insane the amount of rubbish I've collected and I've got to store. So it'll be interesting. Anyway, let's keep going. This is going mounted out here. Just a bit of extra strength for the shelves, but that's pretty heavy. So there we go. Guys, right, so I've got one shelf complete, standing in the middle of it. So there'll be a yellow tongue floorboard right along here, and so I've got to do what I've done here with this thick one, 100 by 100 over there, and then continue this, that shelf along along that wall anyway. So it's a bit insane. Anyway, so I'll have enough, definitely have enough to finish that one off as well. I've got to order some yellow tongue, which is always a drama at the moment because of the COVID lockdowns. What I think I'm going to do here between these two poles and that one is put a bit of a tyre rack, so just a couple across, just to chuck all the wheels and tyres up, because they've got to go somewhere. So another long day. Well, but it's coming along, really coming along. I mean, definitely enjoying getting out in the shed. That's what the shed's all about. Getting out and doing stuff. You know, you can't do anything when the look at the state of this. Joints an absolute pigsty. My fault. Bit of a hoarder. Won't throw anything out. But what do you do? Okay. So another day. What I've done is, I'll take you over there. Alright, pretty much continued on with the, so I've put this post on there. I think I'm going to have to tie them to the garage. There's a bit of movement, not a huge amount, but I don't know, I just feel a bit safer. I've got to finish some welds. Obviously these things need to be cut off. I've just done the same thing over there as I did to that one yesterday. So again, I'm just going to buy some board, some yellow tongue, and put it in. Getting there. Beard's a shambles. So it's coming together. I'm loving it. Again, can't wait to get it finished, but these things take time. So she's in. I've put in the screws all the way along. That's should really stiffen it up, and with any luck, she won't bow. I can always, you know, if I get too much weight, I don't want to put way too much weight up here anyway, but I can always put in some bracing there. So there we go. So I've got to finish putting all the screws in up under that board, but can't get to it because all that crap's in the way. So well, that's shelves on wheels. So I'm going to wheel that out the way soon. I've done that up there, which is for the wheels and tyres. So I'll stick them up there soon. So there we go. I want to up around here at the tops and of all the posts. I want to tie it into the garage. Although, since I've put those boards up, the whole thing has stiffened right up, which is fantastic. So, yeah, I might get up there, bounce around, see what 120 kilos does up there, eh? So, yeah, see how we go. Anyway, guys, I'll try and get this video out soon. Love your work. Get in the shed.